HPAC Chapter 3.3 Sensitivity. The Sensitivity page allows you to adjust sensitivity or DPI, wheel sensitivity or speed, and mouse angle sliders. You can click and drag the circle on the sidebars to adjust them. By adjusting the sensitivity or DPI, users can control the responsiveness and speed of cursor movements. Increasing the sensitivity allows for quicker cursor movements ideal for fast-paced gaming or navigating large screens swiftly. Decreasing the sensitivity provides greater precision and accuracy that is suitable for tasks that require detailed movements such as graphic design or precise editing. The ability to adjust the wheel sensitivity or speed enables you to tailor your scrolling experience to your needs. Increasing the wheel sensitivity allows for faster scrolling and quick navigation through lengthy documents, websites, or spreadsheets. This feature is beneficial when dealing with large volumes of content that require rapid browsing. Reducing the wheel sensitivity slows down the scrolling speed and enables more precise and controlled scrolling for tasks that require careful examination or fine adjustment. The mouse angle slider focuses on ergonomic considerations and allows users to adjust the angle of their peripheral device to align with their natural hand position and grip style. This customization aims to enhance user comfort during prolonged usage periods. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.